Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, today I've been putting this off until it's kind of cooled down some, but I need to replace the fascia board on my garage in here. I took the gutter off already, and this is bad on this side, and I've got a little spot over here. I'll show you. And see, I got a spot here. Let's take this off. All we'll do is stick our pry bar in here. So I got my bigger pry bar here. I'll get a little bit more leverage with it. Pull out any nails that's left up there. Any nails that's the heads broke off is hard to pull out, so just hammer them in. Once you take them down here, you want to measure them if you've got good ends, so that way you know exactly what to cut. But I'm not having that on this in here, so I won't have to measure it the hard way. Well, I bought me 3 pieces here, 10 foot long. I need 26 foot, so I'm going to paint them with my white paint here. I'll probably put a couple coats on them here, and I'm going to paint front and back. Okay, I've got them painted. I got 2 coats on there and everything, and I've let them dry overnight. Now we're ready to hang them. Okay guys, this step right here, it would be real handy if you had somebody to help you. Seems like all my help always working late, so we have to improvise here. I'm going to use a ladder on one end to hold the piece, and I'll try to start a screw on the other end here. What I'm going to do is line up the bottom part, and I'm going to start one down here, that way we can kind of twist it up a little bit from the other end. Okay, so our last piece here, we're going to need it. We're going to cut off some for it. Since my board is a little bad on the end here, I'm going to measure from this 2x4 to that right there. So it's 70.5 inches, so let me cut that one and I'll be back. Okay, we've got down just a few screws holding it up. Now we can go back and put some every couple feet, every 16 inches, however you want to do it. But that's all it is, putting the fascia up. And I'm going to buy me some drip edge. I need to replace my shingles here. So I might wait just a little bit and just replace my shingles, then put the drip edge on there. But I do need a drip edge on this thing. And I've noticed there underneath my shingles there's no felt. So whoever done this done it cheaply. Well, I hope this helps somebody want to try to install some fascia boards on their garage. Or maybe their house. As always, thanks for watching guys.